welcome. Today we're going to look at the product from Trail. This is it's very light, and it's an aluminium kettle of 2 liters in blue, and that's how light. It's very light actually, 0.41 grams. So, how can I open it? Because I like to keep the box when I'm not using it, otherwise you might get dents. So that's the aluminium kettle. It says in here to clean it with warm soapy water. Yeah, be careful how you handle it. So as it becomes hot, that obviously when it becomes hot, I think this will whistle because it has a little hole in there, as you can see, and really good quality. This will probably change color in time because you put it on the fire, even on the outside. But, it's really nice. Only downside, I mean, not really a downside, you can't really clean it inside. But otherwise, there you have it.
Yeah, it's not quite good enough. Let's try.